Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Not too much about Corel, and I know maybe some of you are getting tired of my cuddle, but they came out with a new box idea a couple weeks ago, and I am not promoting this. I am not affiliated with this. I am a member, so I get the stuff for free, um, and there are some free stuff on the site. But what's neat about this, I could personally draw this, but it would take me 30 minutes. And then if I wanted to change the size, it would take me another 30 minutes. So if you go to Cuddle and it's box with dividers, I mean, look what you can make. You know, ones for batteries, Altoid looking things. So here's the one that's just, I cut out, but you could change the width, you could change the depth, you could change the height to 1 inch. You could change the material thickness, and I would not, well, I wouldn't mess with their curve. One thing I've always been impressed with Cuddle is for my laser, it fits perfectly. I used to test everything I cut just so I wouldn't waste wood. Lately with Cuddle, I don't even test. I cut this out a while ago, and all you do is go download the file, download it. I always got to look to see where it is in the folder for me because you don't know where it puts it. I'm going to go and put it in my desktop. There's already one there. I'm going to go and replace it. That's the one I cut out earlier. I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'd use my desktop because I can find stuff easier. But then all I'm going to do is just, well, let's see if I can open it. Well, really, I have to import it. So let's go back to Corel, and let's go and right click and import. I'm going to go to my desktop and box with dividers and then import it. Now, you know, they don't know what program you're using. This is an SVG. So all you have to do to make this work is take it and make it a red, signifying a cut line, and then change this to a hairline. Take it out to your shop and cut it out. I mean, it's seriously unbelievable how well it fits together. You can see that these are shorter than these, so it's sandwiches together. Probably the only thing it's not, well, I can't say it's not, yeah, it is right in the middle. So it'd go over either way. But there's a lot of box programs out there. These are called finger joints. There's a lot, but I've never seen one like this. And what's good about it, well, if you wanted to make it square, you could make it 5 by 5, you know, make it 0.5 inches tall. You know, if you want to cut out of 1/4 inch material. Anyway, give that a shot. Go to their website. I'll put the link at the bottom of the video. It's you know, here's that paper box. So all the ones that say private, you have to be a member. And they have put this up recently, but there are some free ones. I don't see any on this page right now, but trust me, there are free ones. These are free ones. Key generator, Keygene, a few other ones are free. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.